What's up, Jabo here, and today we have a new video. Now 6ix9ine continues to be in the news. We've been talking about him for almost 2 weeks now. It's gonna be now. TMZ released a new article on old information that happened almost a week ago when he first got arrested, and it says here that he got gangster tested when he first arrived at the facility. All right, and it says here 6ix9ine isn't getting the red carpet treatment in federal lockup. Several Crips wasted no time gangster checking him, and TMZ has learned that's what got him transferred to a new facility. Now a few days ago it was announced that he got to a new facility, and it says here the 10th showdown went down November 19 at the Brooklyn Detention Center right after 6ix9ine was denied bail. According to our law enforcement sources, we're told 6ix9ine, an alleged member of the 9 Treyway Gangster Bloods, was confronted by inmates affiliated with the Crips who were in the intake area as he arrived. That's when one inmate G-checked him, meaning stepped up to him to see if he is a real gangster or a wannabe. We're told the Crip told 6ix9ine he better understand who's in charge, and the only thing that saved him from a beatdown was the fact that prison staffers quickly intervened. All right, so people who work at the facility immediately seen that something was going to go down, and that's when they helped 6ix9ine from getting beat up. His attorney Lance says 6ix9ine was being threatened in jail. However, he was not scared, nor he did request being removed. He, acting upon these threats, removed him to a different facility to eliminate the threat. And it says here TMZ broke the story. The new facility where he ended up in is sometimes used for witnesses who cut deals. Our sources said 6ix9ine specifically said to be in a unit away from Crips and Bloods. And then at the bottom of this article it says here that they wanted more information. However, 6ix9ine is no longer in that unit, so they could not get more information on what really happened on anything else. But yeah, man, 6ix9ine got his gangster tested when he first arrived at the facility, which was November 19. Now this is old information, like I said, but now they are finally releasing it. So yeah, 6ix9ine almost got beat up, but the thing is, the prisoners, the staff who worked at this facility, quickly seen that something was going to happen and saved 6ix9ine from a fight, man. So hey, who do you think would have won, that Crip or 6ix9ine? Let me know. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. But yeah, I'm out.
I make it out the street life. Niggas wanna kill me, sometimes I can't even sleep right. Rapping in the trenches, one day I'ma get a Bentley. Looking at the picture cause I got a bigger vision. How you gon' get with